Electric eels are not actually eels, but they're shocking in more ways than one. Found in South America, these incredible creatures can generate powerful electric shocks to hunt and defend themselves. Ready to be amazed. Electric eels can generate electricity up to 860 volts. They use electricity to stun prey and scare predators. Electric eels live in the Amazon and Orinoco River basins. They are more closely related to catfish than true eels. Their bodies contain electric organs that make up 80% of their length. They have 3 electric organs: mane, hunters, and sacs. They can emit both high voltage and low voltage shocks. Electric eels can control the strength and frequency of their electric pulses. They use electric signals to navigate murky water. They are capable of electrolocation to detect nearby objects. Electric eels breathe air through a vascularized mouth lining. They surface for air every few minutes. Despite living in water, they drown without air. They can grow up to 2.5 meters, 8 feet long. Adult electric eels can weigh up to 20 kilograms, 44 pounds. They are usually dark gray or brown in color. They can leap out of the water to attack threats. Electric eels can jump and deliver shocks directly. They often coil their bodies to increase shock intensity. They are nocturnal predators. Their diet includes fish, amphibians, and small mammals. Juveniles feed on invertebrates like shrimp and worms. They use low-voltage pulses for communication. They can differentiate between self-generated and external signals. Electric eels are solitary hunters. They can locate prey using electric pulses in complete darkness. They are known to perform coordinated hunting. They have poor eyesight and rely on electricity instead. Electric shocks are used to locate hidden prey. They can immobilize multiple prey with one shock. Shocks only last a few milliseconds. Electric pulses are stored in special cells called electrocytes. Electrocytes are stacked like batteries. They can produce up to 600 discharges per hour. Their shocks are strong enough to knock down a horse. They can even deter crocodiles with electricity. Humans can be harmed by their shock, but deaths are rare. Electric eels are aggressive when provoked. They prefer to avoid conflict unless threatened. They breed in the dry season. Males build nests with their saliva. Females lay thousands of eggs in the nest. Males guard the eggs until they hatch. Young eels are born without electric organs. Electric abilities develop over time. They are immune to their own electric discharges. They can live up to 15 years in the wild. Some live over 20 years in captivity. They can regenerate damaged tissue. Electric eels have fascinated scientists for centuries. They inspired the invention of the electric battery. Electricity in eels was studied by Alessandro Volta. Charles Darwin also wrote about them. They are featured in many documentaries and nature shows. Electric eels have been used in experiments on bioelectricity. Their organs work like natural power generators. They can detect heartbeats of nearby prey. They use shocks to force hidden prey to move. They can deliver electric bursts in rapid succession. They prefer slow-moving water. Electric eels thrive in muddy, low-oxygen environments. They often hide under logs or submerged vegetation. They are apex predators in their habitat. Despite their power, they are vulnerable when young. Birds and larger fish can eat baby eels. Electric eels sometimes eat their own young. They are most active during rainy seasons. Electric shocks help them escape from nets. They have been seen swimming backward to target prey. They can twist their bodies mid-attack. Electric eels don't need schooling or group behavior. They shed skin regularly to stay healthy. They are known to fast for weeks after a large meal. Electric eels can detect weak electrical fields in prey. They are more dangerous during the breeding season. They are sometimes mistaken for water snakes. Their electric organs are located along the body sides. They can produce different patterns of electric pulses. They signal emotion through electricity. Electric eels communicate dominance with shocks. They can recognize individual signals of other eels. They avoid each other to prevent electric interference. Their electric fields are invisible to most predators. Some eels emit stronger electricity as they age. They lose electric efficiency if malnourished. Electric eels are being studied for bioelectric power. They can teach us about renewable energy sources. Researchers are building synthetic electric tissues. Electric eels are often kept in large aquariums. They require special care and conditions. They are illegal to own in some countries. Electric eels are protected in parts of South America. They play a role in freshwater ecosystems. They are fascinating and dangerous at the same time. Electric eels remain one of nature's most shocking creatures.